So what is up guys, welcome to HDT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, 2020 iPhones, from 2 years we are expected and we have been told by many analysts that 2020 is going to be the year when Apple is going to be improving their iPhones very much. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking or I'm going to be telling you guys like when Apple is going to be announcing which type of products and again which are going to be the prime or the key sectors where Apple is going to be putting its lot of efforts and just revolutionizing their existing lineup. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before starting today's video, I want to say that I want to give a little short news regarding Apple's ecosystem, and that is Apple's TV Plus subscription. Okay, Apple beside their product lineup also focuses on their services, and Apple's News Plus, Apple TV Plus is a service provided by Apple, and in India it is finally coming at the pricing of 99 rupees per month. Like 99 rupees for an Apple service. It's great to have again it's just same as your TV which you use, and guys, if you want to have the subscription you can have it. So guys, if you want to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, in today's video let me tell you about 2020 iPhone lineup or the 2020 Apple plans. First of all, in the Q1 of 2020, most supposedly, Apple is going to be launching the iPhone SE2. And again, according to analyst Minchico, Apple is, indeed working, the full production of the iPhone SE2 is going to be starting in January of 2020. And later on in March, in their WWDC, in the Worldwide Developers Conference, which usually happens in the last week of March or the first week of April, they are going to be launching this new iPhone SE. Again, after that, we will meet in September with the new iPhones. And guys, the main key highlight or the most important factor of the 2020 iPhone lineup is going to be the 5G ability and their skeuomorphic design. The design is going to be inspired with iPhone 4's unibody, which again had a flat edges and flat corners and flat sides. That's more like an easy to hold device and it's not at all slippery. So it's great to have, and not just that, the main focus is going to be on the 5G ability. Apple is going to be working behind a 5G iPhone for 2020, and the 5G modem is coming from Qualcomm and not coming from Intel. Actually, Apple opted for a modem, 5G modem from Intel, but due to few problems they didn't get it, and so they are going and opting for the Qualcomm's X55 modem, which supports 5G. So it's great Apple is indeed working behind a technology which Samsung already has the smartphones regarding, but like guys, Apple always does the things pretty late, but they do it very perfectly. So that is like the 5G ability which is coming to 2020 iPhone lineup. And again guys, according to few sources, the naming scheme of the 2020 iPhones is going to be the successor of the iPhone 11 will be called as the iPhone 12, successor of 11 Pro will be called as iPhone 12 Pro, and the successor of iPhone 12 Pro Max, 11 Pro Max will be called as 12 Pro Max. So it's pretty basic, I think Apple is opting for the right strategy. The original generation of the iPhone 11 series is for the people who really want to have a budget experience. The iPhone 11 Pro is for the people who really want, a smaller iPhone with the Pro level features, and the Pro Max is the category for those who want a bigger display, a greater performance, and all around the best flagship from Apple. So this is their scheme. Again, all three smartphones also vary in their pricing. Like the iPhone 11's pricing is like $699, while the iPhone 11 Pro's pricing is $1,000, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max pricing is $1,100. So there is like a price difference as well in this segment, and it is expected that the same strategy is going to be carried forward with the next generation of iPhones. And this is basically, we know everything about it. I have with me more videos regarding the 2020 iPhone lineup, regarding iPhone SE2, and just everything you need to know about every single topic in depth. If you want to know, then you can check out my channel, you can check out all of the videos if you are interested in depth. So yes, this is it regarding the 2020 iPhone lineup, and again just those simple questions which I'm going to be answering now at the end of today's video is that people are asking me that should I buy the iPhone XR or should I wait for the iPhone SE2? And the obvious answer which I will give you at the end of today's video is that wait for the iPhone SE2, and not just if the iPhone SE2 is going to be the refresh of the iPhone 8, which is supposedly is going to be, then you can at that time the iPhone XR's price is going to be well over reduced. It might be like 40,000 rupees for the iPhone XR in next year. So definitely if you are going to be waiting for 5 to 6 months, then definitely you will also see a price drop in the iPhone XR. So my obvious answer is going to be wait for a couple of months and just will also get a great discount. And let's see what iPhone SE2 has in store for us, and hope you have liked today's video. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and always a like is definitely appreciated. So thanks for watching, stay tuned for more videos.